Hey guys, I'm back with another question from September 2020 M3 exam, and this is from module 3. This is as easy as you can get. This is the most easiest question you can get in the exam for 6 or 7 marks. The question is find the Fourier cosine transform of f of x. Okay, so before going to solution, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. So the question is for Fourier cosine transform. Fourier cosine transform formula is fc of u. Fourier cosine transform of u is integration from 0 to infinity, okay, the given function f of x times cos ux dx. Okay, so we need to integrate the given function f of x times cos ux with respect to x from 0 to infinity. That is the Fourier cosine transform. Okay, so the function is defined from 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. So I'll split this integral like this from 0 to 1. Okay, in this interval f of x is equal to x, right? So f of x is equal to x times cos ux dx plus again from integral from 1 to 2, 1 to 2. In this interval f of x is 2 minus x, 2 minus x cos ux dx. Okay, finally x greater than 2, that is from 2 to infinity. So in this interval f of x is equal to 0 times cos ux dx is 0 dx. So we need to split the integral from 0 to infinity into given intervals, so 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to infinity. Okay. Between 0 to 1, what is happening? We have integration x times cos of x, a polynomial function times a trigonometric function. So in this case we need to use uv rule. So this is u and this is v. Okay, here also from 1 to 2, this is a polynomial, this is a trigonometric function, u is polynomial, this is trigonometric function, and we need to use the formula integration uv is equal to u into integration v minus u dash into double integration v plus dot dot dot. Okay, so the formula goes on. Okay, so we need just I think we'll evaluate within 2 terms only. We need only 2 terms. Okay, and this is just 0. So just 0. Okay, so what is the integration? Integration is u into integration of v. So this is u into integration of v. Integration of cos ux is sin ux over u. Okay, next minus u dash is differentiation of u. Differentiation of u is differentiation of x is 1 times 2 times integration of v, or integration of sin ux by u. So integration of sin ux by u is minus cos ux by u square. Okay, so this is the first term, this term, and this is from limits 0 to 1. Okay, so you need to be able to integrate and evaluate limits of integration. Okay, similarly here plus u into integration of v. So u is 2 minus x, integration of cos ux is same as here, sin ux by u minus u dash is differentiation of u, or 2 minus x with respect to x. So that is 0 minus differentiation of x is 1. So that will be 0 minus 1. 2 times integration of v is integration of sin ux by u, which is minus cos ux by u square. And this is from integration from 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Okay, so we integrated now. Okay, now we need to evaluate the limits of integration. How we will do that? In place of x, substitute 1 and 0, upper limit and lower limit. So that I will get as, substitute 1, this will be 1 sin 1 u by u. So that is sin u by u, right? Minus into minus plus. Okay, so cos u times 1 is cos u by u square, cos u by u square. So this is upper limit, this term with upper limit, minus this same term, these 2 terms with lower limit. So if you substitute 0 in place of x here, the first term will be 0. 0 times sin 0, sin 0 is also 0, so 0 times 0 is 0, minus into minus plus cos 0 by u square. Okay, so that is the first 2 terms with limits upper limit and lower limit. again here we need to apply upper limit and lower limit. So that will be, if you apply upper limit 2, so 2 minus 2 will be 0. So the first term will be 0, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Okay. If you substitute 2 in place of x, you will get cos 2u by u square. Okay. Similarly, again minus lower limit. If you substitute lower limit here, 2 minus 1 is 1, sine 1 in place of x is u by u, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, cos u times 1 is cos u by u square. Okay, so these are the 4 terms, 4 terms for of the after evaluating the limits. Now finally, f of u, fc of u, we will get as there is a plus sine u by u and there is minus sine u by u, that get cancelled. Okay, then what else is there? Cos u by u square minus into minus plus cos u by u square. There are 2 cos u by u squares, so I'll get 2 cos u by u square, and then there is minus cos 2u by u square. So this is over, this is over, minus cos 2u by u square minus cos 2u by u square, then this is over, and then this is minus into plus minus, cos 0 is 1 over u square. Okay, so you can write answer as 2 cos u minus cos 2u minus 1 over u square. So this is the Fourier cosine transform of this function f of x, which is split into 3 intervals. Okay, what you need to do is you need to remember the formula. The formula for Fourier cosine transform is fc of u is equal to integration from 0 to infinity given function f of x times cos ux dx. You should be able to integrate uv with a product of 2 functions. You need to be able to evaluate limits of integral, and then the remaining whatever is, that is the answer will be in terms of u and it does not contain x. Okay. So if you want to learn how to integrate these functions and how to evaluate limits, please visit our website and check out our course on M3, 18M3. There you will learn how to solve integration questions and evaluate limits for VTU exams.